Insert the power cord and short press power to turn on the device. Search for Cutlabs, download and install the software. Open Settings WLAN, find WaneLix X2, enter the default password, and click Join. Open the software, click Connect and enter the default IP 192.168.0.1, then click Connect. Click on Start Your Creation, click on Word to enter text and change lines to fill. Click on Gallery to load an image, where you can crop the image. Click on Confirm. You can quickly zoom in and out of the image size, and click Image Processing to adjust the image. Click on Parameter to set the size of the image for carving parameters. Carving parameters vary for different materials. Click Preview. The laser draws a rectangular box to indicate the carving position of the pattern. 3 methods for quick positioning. The first method, move the pattern with your fingers and click to preview. Second method, click on Parameter to modify X/Y values for precise adjustment. Thirdly, during the preview process, move the carved object to observe and locate its position. Before carving, remember to adjust the focus point. When the focusing needle is pressed against the carved object, the focusing is complete. Click on Engraving.